In this video, we're going to talk about how to change your Hostinger domain name. Now, one thing I've noticed is a lot of creators are covering this topic, but seem to leave out a very key aspect, and that is that the answer is yes and no. So there are only very select times when you can change your domain name. One of them is if the domain is not active yet. So you've bought it, but you haven't actually activated. It's not an active site that people can go to. And of course, you are still in your, I believe it's a 30-day period. So I would also recommend reading the refund policy. So let's say the domain is already active, it must qualify for a refund according to the refund policy I mentioned earlier, which means that a refund will only be issued if cancellation is requested within the refund time frame, which again, I believe is 30 days. So once you've confirmed that your specific domain fits in that refundable, and when you know that you are in that refund policy specification and you do qualify to refund your current domain, because that's what you're going to have to do, you're going to log into your hosting account. And as you can see here on their page over here, you'll just use the Ask Cody section in any of the H-panel pages and explain your situation in the chat window. And that is all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope your problem is solved. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.